Basic day-to-day maintenance of the Pregis smart machine is essential to maximizing uptime of the machine for production. The following steps should be followed at regular intervals based on the usage of the system. 1. Cleaning the system and work area to ensure it is free of dust and debris that could cause unnecessary wear. 2. Inspect the power and any accessory cables that may be connected to the machine, ensuring the cables are properly plugged in and no damage is present on any of the cables. Stop use if the cables are damaged. 3. Check that the system is loaded properly to prevent unexpected breakdowns or wasted film. 4. Visually inspect that both belts are present and not damaged. 5. Ensure that all components of the system are securely attached and safe for use. If the system is not mounted securely or components are loose, stop use immediately. If any of these 5 items do not pass inspection, please contact the Pregis Service Desk by locating the Pregis Service Desk sticker on the side of the Pregis AirSpeed Smart System.